Now we are going to learn how to make feminine adjectives with different endings. There are some exceptions, like if the noun is already ending with E. In this situation, you don't have to add extra E to make it feminine. Difficile, masculine singular. Difficile, masculine plural. Difficile, feminine singular, and difficile, feminine plural. Here we have added s in the end to make it plural. The meaning is difficult. Facile, facile means easy, and the pronunciation for both the feminine adjectives will remain same. Jaune, masculine singular. Jaune, masculine plural. Jaune, feminine singular. Jaune, feminine plural, meaning young. Large, masculine singular. Large, masculine plural, meaning wide, and the pronunciation for both the feminine adjectives will remain same. Magnifique, magnifique meaning magnificent. Mince, mince meaning thin, and pronunciation will remain same for feminine adjective. Rouge, rouge meaning red, and same pronunciation for feminine. Triste, pronunciation will remain same for three of them, meaning sad. If the noun is ending with s, ba, masculine singular. Ba, masculine plural, meaning low, and now the pronunciation for feminine adjective will change. It will be called like bass for both. Gros, for masculine gros, and for feminine gros, meaning fat. Épais for masculine and épaisse for feminine. The meaning is thick. If the noun is ending with n, जब हमारी noun n से end करती है, we double it to make it feminine. Ancien, masculine. Ancienne for feminine. हमने यहाँ डबल n ऐड करा है to make it feminine, and s ऐड करा है बाद में to make it feminine plural, meaning ancient. Bon for masculine. Bon for feminine, meaning good. Long for masculine. Long for feminine, meaning long or white. If the noun is ending with l, gentil for masculine and same for feminine, it will be remain gentil. We have added one more l to make it feminine, meaning kind, nice. If the noun is ending with c, blanc for masculine and blanche for feminine, meaning white. If the noun is ending with eux, délicieux for masculine and délicieux for feminine, meaning delicious. Heureux for masculine and heureux for feminine, meaning happy. If the noun is ending with if or if, then active for masculine and active for feminine, we have added VE for making it feminine, meaning active. Sportive for masculine and sportive for feminine, meaning sporty. I hope this is clear to you.